Hey guys, two of the hottest trends in all of crypto right now are memes and artificial intelligence. Well, this meme token Turbo has both of them. I've been looking at this for a while and hesitant to ever get into it, but I have jumped in. I have a little PTSD from meme coins that I'm going to share in this video and let you know a mistake that I made a few years ago. Because I know I'm going to hear in the comment, oh my God, Freeman financing crypto, you said that memes are stupid, blah, blah, blah. Well, I have said that, but I've been taking the red pill that my buddy Turbo has been holding for too long. And the fact of the matter is, degens run this market, and whether there's utility to the project or not, there is money in it. In this video, we're going to go over the white paper of Turbo. What is Turbo? Who is the founder? What are the tokenomics, the holders, and most importantly, where could this price go? We're going to get into all of that and more, but first I want to welcome you all back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense. Guys, I'm grateful for every single one of you, but if you are not subscribed, please pause the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification, and let's get into the video. So guys, Turbo, a meme coin made by AI for the people. So we're going to start off by going through the website, and then I'm going to get into why I have PTSD from meme tokens. So as you can see, the contract has been renounced, which is extremely bullish. No changes happening. Total supply is 69 billion, which is funny, which all coins are totally in circulation. So there's no inflation coming at all. Turbo token began as a bold experiment in cryptocurrency creation inspired by the power of artificial intelligence. The project's creator turned to ChatGPT-4 with a simple challenge: create the next great meme coin, starting with a budget of just $69. And I truly believe it is. This is at less than $100 million market cap at the time of recording video, but not for long. So as you can see here, it's available on Uniswap, and they are growing by the exchanges constantly. And I want to show you all, you can also get this on Tangem, guys. You can get it on Tangem. Promo link down in the description. Get yourself 10% off using code Freeman. You can even swap directly on Tangem, but it's very important in these bull markets, guys. Keep your crypto safe. Keep it off of centralized exchanges or hot wallets. We can't trust them at all. But let's look at the price. So the price is currently 2014. So last weekend I was looking at it. I was finally going to buy it, and I said, no, let me wait for in the morning. And it was like 208, I think. It was, or back here, 209. When I woke up the next morning, it was 2012. And I waited a little bit, and I bought somewhere in there. Full disclosure, I bought $1 million. It was a little over $1,000. So that's what I'm holding, guys. My only regret is not buying more. Now, the way I look at this is I love going to the casino. I love going to Vegas. I love going gambling, period. And I normally lose money. So this is a small section of my portfolio, a small slice of the pie that I am hoping does some good. But I have avoided meme tokens for a long time. And it's because I lost a lot of money from them, and I have PTSD. Well, here's why. I'm going to show y'all an account, Robinhood, from years ago. And you can see here, it wasn't a lot of money, and I didn't have a lot of money back then. But, and I still don't, but, you know, relative, right? So I bought 52,675 Doge at 0.003 for $170. And I sold it the next day for $177. 52,000 Doge. I was actually in Vegas a few years ago. My buddy called me, dude, Dogecoin hit over 69 cents. You still got it? And I was just hungover in the hot tub, like mad about it. But you can see back here, I was selling, buying every day. Here's another thing, 18,000 Doge for $50. So that really gave me a bad taste for meme coins. But the truth is, guys, there's money to be made in this. Of course, this isn't financial advice. This is what I'm doing, and I do not risk more money than I can afford to lose. But let's get into the white paper. So this is the first AI-driven and created meme token, which is extremely bullish. The tokenomics is 69 billion Turbo tokens. The tokens were 60 billion to the crowdfunded and the founder got 9 billion of these. The founder is doxxed. He's on X, very active. He hasn't dumped to my knowledge. We're going to look at wallets here in a minute, and I'll tell you what wallet I think is his. There is no team. It's completely community driven. And the thing is that all the tokens are in circulation, guys. And you can see it's really bullish to see all the exchanges that they are starting to get. Like, they are constantly announcing some every day, and we'll look at their X here in a minute. But when we go down and look at the wallets, okay, if we can zoom in right here and look of just at the beginning of May, there was 17,296 holders. And if we fast forward to just 2 weeks later, we are almost 20,000 holders, guys. That's like a 15 to 18% increase in holders. When we look at the wallets, there's nobody owning 20% that can dump on us, guys. OKX, Uphold, UNCX Network Security, BitGet, Gate.io, Mexi, Gate.io. The biggest wallet, besides who I think is the founder, this 8.6 billion token. Remember, it said he had 9 to begin with, and so he holds a lot of them. The only one, and I don't know that for sure, that's just what I'm thinking, but the next regular person that owns them is 1% of the total allocation, guys. So there is nobody holding a lot ready to dump on you. Even if this guy dumped all of them, it would only lower the price by about 12, 13%. And I think it would be bought up pretty quick. So that's not a huge deal. And with these exchanges, they are going to continue to sell, continue to get exchange listings. And I'm waiting for the Coinbase or Binance listings. And they are just really cool. Like, look at some of their pictures that they have, guys. Like, isn't this not funny? And when you look at it, I like this one. It's kind of funny. My favorite one, if I had to say, is probably this guy. I think he's cool, chilling, got a little gold chain, man, got some cool sunglasses, just soaking it in. I mean, guys, I don't know what it is. There is so much money in memes that I have no idea why. Like, when we look at this, the total market cap for memes, guys, is $55 billion, guys. 55 billion for what? Like, I don't know, but I'm here for it. Like I always say, small portion of the portfolio, no different than going to Vegas, no different than any other form of entertainment that you might think could make money. But when we look at the price, I drew this chart. So today it almost reached a new all-time high. So if we go down to this hour chart, I want to show you, I drew this the other day and it came true actually. So this was the high back then, and I knew there was going to be some sale orders on it, but the truth of the matter is there's not a lot of big whales that can manipulate this price. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just blow through this here in a minute. But we did have some short, pull back from it and some consolidation right here. But we're going to see what the next leg is up. But as you can see, it was almost a perfect linear line to that previous one. So it's always important to look at, guys. When you reach a previous all-time high, expect a little bit of resistance there. But if you just look at this thing is climbing. Like, it went up here back then it went down. But if you look at starting like at the beginning of May, guys, this thing just hasn't stopped. And the volume down here is good. The market cap is almost 100 million. It actually broke 100 million earlier. But let's get into what could the price hit for Turbo. Could I finally get my Dogecoin big win that I'd been wanting for a while? So when we look at some of these, let's just start with Dogecoin, the granddaddy of them all. If we look at this, Turbo with the market cap of Dogecoin at Doge's all-time high would be $1.29, guys. I would be a millionaire. I would be so happy. But I'm not waiting on that. But the truth of the matter is, who waits that long to sell, right? Are you really going to go through a 900x before you sell at all? It's just human psychology does not let that happen. Somebody would sell early. But if you look at Dogecoin now, it would still be a 226x. Mind you, guys, we are at a market cap right now of 2.41 trillion. We're expecting 7 to 10 trillion this bull cycle. So there's still a lot of liquidity left. So let's just say Dogecoin did maintain this right here and did a 3x in market cap from today. It would still be over $1 if it took their spot. But let's look at something a little more realistic, maybe, as to what it could take. So let's look at something like Bonk. Okay, Bonk is 60th right now. So I think it could take Bonk. I mean, I don't see why not. It's definitely cooler. It's AI. Okay, if you look at Bonk right here, it would be a 16x, which would be a over 2 cent for that. So that's a 16x from today's price, which would turn my 1,000-ish dollars into about $17,000. I would take it. That's a pretty good return. And when you look at it, that's only a $1.5 billion market cap, guys. And we're expecting this slot to probably triple during the bull run, which if it took over 60th would be a $4.5 billion market cap for the 60th slot. So guys, there is a lot of money to make in these tokens. I mean, they have absolutely no utility besides community driven things, but I do want to show you all the X real quick. So here's Turbo's X, and so as you can see here, this is when the meme coin was created. They put the official contract right there and everything. It's about the AI token. Earlier, they said that they reached $100 billion or 100. Earlier, they said they reached $100 million market cap. Let's get to the 500 million. So I think it's coming, guys. They're constantly posting, but they have a lot of announcements coming. Please set a reminder for our AMA tomorrow where we will update you on all things Turbo. This will be on Binance.com. You can listen to it. If you look, they're constantly saying that they are working on things. Here's a new exchange right here. Here's another new exchange. This is 24-hour top gainers. Turbo was leading the way on that. Be patient. Big moves are coming. What's popping? Just dreaming big about what's coming. Quack, quack. Or ribbit, ribbit. But yeah, so they keep saying big ideas coming from small paces. Stay tuned. They keep saying stuff is coming, guys, and they are working on partnership is exactly what they said, a partnership. So let's see. They just got listed on Toad Swap. They're just, guys, they're making moves. They really are making moves. Crypto John talked about it, as you all can see here. I'm sure y'all have listened to that. I have a lot of respect for that man. But guys, I don't know. Seriously, guys, I don't know what's going on, but DGens run it. I'm here for it. I'm a DGen. I love it. But instead of gambling online, instead of gambling somewhere, instead of trading on the minute chart and trying to catch a little dip on 200x leverage, this is what I'm going to do for now. And we'll see. But anyways, guys, let me know down below, what do y'all think about Turbo? Like I said, get you a Tangent wallet. You can swap it on there directly. Leave a couple comments. Let me know. Watch one of these 2 videos up above and subscribe to the Freeman and Finance family if you haven't already. Thank you.